Hi, Callum here. And today I'm going to show you how to make the Saffron 75 from the Cocktail Kitchen book. This variation on the French 75 is rich, fruity and decadent. Absolutely delicious. Before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with all of our new content. Let's do this.
Like its mother cocktail, the French 75, we're going to shake this delicious twist. First up is our gin. We chose Bombay Sapphire here for its delicate flavours that will let the elderflower and the sherbet show off their stuff. St Germain is the top elderflower liqueur out there for good reason. It's so tasty it almost feels like cheating to use. Almost. Next, some fresh lemon juice to make sure everything is nice and balanced, and then we're going to come through with our Orange and Saffron Sherbet. This is a really special product with the saffron playing so beautifully with the sweet and sourness of the orange. We want a long-lasting, foamy head on this twist, so we're going to add egg white, or if you want to, some aquafaba. For egg white drinks, we always dry shake or reverse dry shake. Here, we're choosing to reverse dry shake. So we're going to shake first with ice, strain, and then shake without ice to maximize the foaminess of the final product. Fine strain into our chilled champagne flute, and then we're going to top it all off with Prosecco. This is going to make an iconic looking foam head that rises above the confines of the flute and lasts longer than a regular sparkling wine foam. Finally, express an orange zest for extra citrusy aromatics. And there you have it, a Saffron 75. Enjoy.